Your credit score is 500. Don't panic. Don't feel ashamed. You're not alone, and you're not stuck there forever. In fact, it's totally possible to go from 500 to 800. Let's break it down step by step in plain language. Part 1. What is a credit score really? Before we fix it, let's understand it. Your credit score is a 3-digit number between 300 and 850. It tells lenders how trustworthy you are with money. The higher your score, the better your chances of getting lower interest rates, bigger loans, better credit cards, even approval for an apartment or job. So yeah, it matters a lot. But don't worry, a score of 500 is just a starting point, not a life sentence. Part 2. What's pulling your score down? There are 5 main factors in your credit score. Payment history, 35%. Amounts owed, credit utilization, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. New credit inquiries, 10%. Credit mix, 10%. We'll hit each of these hard with specific strategies. Part 3, first steps, know where you stand. Step 1 is simple but powerful. Get your full credit report. You can do this free at annualcreditreport.com. Credit Karma, your bank's app. What to look for: late payments, collections, high balances, errors. Yes, credit reports often have mistakes. Dispute any errors you find. A wrong late payment? Fixing it could give you a fast 20 to 50 point boost. Part 4, the power of paying on time. Let's be clear, paying on time is the most important thing you can do. Even one missed payment can hurt your score by 100 plus points. Set reminders, automate your bills, use calendar alerts. Do whatever it takes to never be late again. If you're already behind, call your lenders, ask about payment plans, hardship options, removing late fees. Part 5, taming your credit card balances. This one's huge. Credit utilization equals how much of your available credit you're using. Example, your credit limit equals $1,000. Your balance equals $800. Utilization equals 80%. Way too high. Goal, keep it under 30%. Ideally under 10%. How? Pay more than the minimum. Pay multiple times per month. Ask for a credit limit increase. Don't close old cards unless necessary. Part 6, should you close old accounts? Answer, usually no. Old accounts help your length of credit history, and that's good. Even if you don't use the card, keep it open if it has no annual fee. It's not a temptation to overspend. If you close it, your available credit drops, and your utilization goes up. Part 7, stop applying for new credit for now. Each time you apply for a new credit card or loan, you get a hard inquiry. Too many in a short time? Red flag to lenders. It screams, I'm desperate. Only apply for credit when you have a plan, need it for your goals, know you'll likely be approved. Otherwise, hold off. Focus on improving what you already have. Part 8, what if you're in collections? Collections are brutal, but not permanent. Here's what to do. Don't ignore it. Call the collection agency, offer to pay in full or settle for less. Ask for a pay for delete in writing. Once paid and deleted, your score will begin to heal. Part 9, build new credit smartly. If you have bad or no credit, try secured credit cards. You deposit money as collateral. Credit builder loans offered by credit unions and apps like Self. Authorized user status. Ask a family member with great credit to add you to their card. These help build positive history fast. Part 10, monitor your progress every month. Tracking helps you stay motivated. Apps like Credit Karma, Experian, Credit Sesame let you see your score for free and get alerts when something changes. Celebrate small wins. A 10-point increase is proof you're on the right path. Part 11, mix up your credit types. This one's less urgent but still helps. Having a mix of credit cards, loans, auto financing shows you can handle different types of debt. Don't open a loan just to have one. But as your finances grow, this will help round out your profile. Part 12, 3-month, 6-month, 12-month plan. Month 1 to 3 is pay all bills on time. Lower utilization. Check and fix credit report. Avoid new credit inquiries. Get a secured card if needed. Month 4 to 6, continue paying on time. Ask for limit increases. Start using credit more strategically. Consider a credit builder loan. Track your score monthly. Month 7 to 12, keep doing everything above. Monitor aging of your accounts. Celebrate milestones. 600, 650, 700. At month 12 plus with consistency, you may be 100 to 150 points higher. Some go from 500 to 700 plus in 1 year. Real life story, Alex's journey from 505 to 804. Alex was 27, working a retail job and had $4,000 in credit card debt. He had 3 late payments, 1 collection, and a 505 credit score. He started by paying on time, paying off debt, disputing an error, using a secured card, not giving up. 18 months later, Alex bought a car with 3.2% interest. And his score? 804. If Alex can do it, so can you. Final tips. Things people don't tell you. You don't need to carry a balance to build credit. Just use and pay it off. You can have a great score without being rich. It's about consistency. Missing just 1 payment can undo months of progress. Stay focused. The older your accounts, the better. Think long term. You are in control, not the banks, not your past, you. Now it's your turn. If you watch this far, you're serious about your future. So take the next step right now. Like this video. It helps more people see it. Subscribe to Big Money Booster. For real, no fluff finance tips. Share this video with a friend who's trying to fix their credit. Let's grow together. Let's boost that credit score. Let's make money work for you. You've got this.